Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Harris and I'm with Teinnovations. We'd like to welcome everyone joining our presentation today. We're very happy that you're here. We know that your time is extremely valuable. We only have about 10 minutes and I'll see if I can stretch that out a bit. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. For this presentation, we'll be focusing on an overview of our company as we set the table for more specific and in-depth presentations throughout the week. We'll be discussing who are we as a company and what do we offer. And I'll give you a little teaser. We'll also be discussing high-level lidding films, sustainable packaging, thermoforming film, HPP or high-pressure processing options, both stock and custom containers, as well as sealing equipment options. We'll also incorporate what makes us unique, and lastly, how do these things benefit you? Now, who are we as a company? Well, as you can see the photo there, you'll see a handful of individuals from our sales team. This was taken at last year's Pack Expo. I know it seems like it was just yesterday, but as you all know, it wasn't. And that's kind of what brings us here today. Getting back to who we are as a company. Teinnovations is a state-of-the-art packaging solutions provider located outside of Chicago, Illinois. Our customers include companies of all sizes, anywhere from startups to Fortune 500 companies. Now, what exactly does this mean? Well, we provide innovative ideas and cost-effective solutions for a wide range of packaging challenges to many customers. Now, how does this benefit you? Well, our goal is to create a true partnership. This means quick responses, reliability, and the flexibility to move in any direction at a moment's notice. We're nimble. At the heart of everything that we do lies one simple principle: integrity. Integrity is the cornerstone of what we believe in. Many companies oversell their clients, but not us. It's conduct that we choose not to be associated with. We believe in over-delivering on your expectations. Teinnovations is a true pioneer in this field. We take great pride in standing out and being different within this area. It's not just who we are, but it's what we stand for. Now, what do we offer? Well, let's get into one of our more core concentrations, lidding films. As you can see, we offer a wide variety of lidding films to our clients. This includes printed or non-printed, thin gauge or heavy, high barrier, and even HPP compatible films. It's this winning combination of options that truly sets us apart. But what makes us unique? Well, we provide a lidding film that is unseen in the marketplace. Imagine one film that seals to all substrates. When working with us, the days of having multiple films to go with multiple SKUs are completely over. I can recall many times going into customers' facilities and seeing this exact same situation play out. You have this particular film that goes with this particular SKU and that particular SKU that is associated with this particular film. And as you could imagine, it can get a bit confusing. And if even one mistake is made, well, as you would imagine, it can be very costly. We've also gone into customers' facilities with high scrap rates, and that's just another term to signify that you have a product that is failing on the line. We've helped them bring those numbers down to under 1% using our technology and expertise. All of our knowledge is available to you when you decide to partner with Teinnovations. So how does this benefit you? Well, many companies provide lidding films. However, we take it a step further by truly understanding the chemistry and science behind it all. This allows for us to react quicker with more precise answers to the most technical questions that are sure to come about. You all are all invited to hear Carl Hicks give an in-depth presentation on our capabilities within the world of lidding films and their practical use. We'll make sure to send you out the link so you'll have an opportunity to view this presentation as well. What does the future hold for packaging? Well, as you can imagine, we get this question quite a bit. Given the current world climate, many have actually said it's sustainable packaging. Now, what exactly does this mean for our clients? Well, the answers involve packaging which reduces the environmental impact and ecological footprint. This includes a look at the entire supply chain from basic function to marketing, end of life, and then the rebirth of the product material itself. Now, many customers have moved into the more sustainable packaging options as the Go Green movement continues. But why is this good to know? And how might it impact you? Well, one of the more challenging aspects of sustainable packaging is identifying material compatibility that performs at a high level. We've had customers that have initially struggled to maintain quality seals after freezing their product. We've been called in and immediately we fixed their problems using our films. Over time, we've actually gotten pretty good at identifying solutions to help our clients navigate these murky waters. Now again, our scientific background allows for us to be more than your typical packaging company. It allows for us to be a true partner as we provide solutions that allow you to achieve your goals. Again, we encourage everyone to make time to hear our CTO Prem Singh present on sustainable packaging. Again, this link will be sent out to you later on this afternoon. Now, it's estimated that thermoforming films make up over $10 billion in the North American market alone. Needless to say, we provide our clients with a plethora of options. Now, what might this mean for you? Again, there are many options. This includes forming and non-forming, vertical form, fill and seal, pouch roll stock, and many others. Now, if you're looking for high-grade cast forming or even multi-layer cast films available in both barrier as well as breathable structures, we should definitely be your first call. If we can't help you, we'll definitely point you in the right direction. Our customers benefit from this personal level of attention, expertise, and most importantly, honesty. Again, we invite everyone in attendance to hear Richard Docherty explore the phenomenon of thermoforming films. We'll make sure to get that link out to you later on this afternoon. Now, within a typical week, we receive many inquiries about HPP packaging materials, something that we're known for in the industry. But what exactly is HPP? Well, as many of you know, HPP is a cold pasteurization technique which consists of subjecting food previously sealed in flexible, water-resistant packaging to high levels of water pressure. But how does this apply to Teinnovations? Well, many of our customers actually use our materials because they're HPP compatible. This allows for them to withstand the 87,000 PSI that is used in most HPP chambers. Now, how might this be beneficial to you? Well, we actually began a relationship with a client that was previously having issues getting their product to make it through this process. We were brought in, both our film and our expertise, and we're actually able to help them turn this situation completely around. Now, if you fast forward a bit, this particular client's product can now be found in supermarkets across the country. Now, on Wednesday afternoon, or should I say tomorrow, you have an opportunity to hear industry leaders speak in great detail. Prem Singh, as he develops a part on HPP. Again, this particular link will be sent out to you later on in the afternoon. You'll have a chance to review it at your convenience. Now, Teinnovations continues to maintain world-class service and provide multiple packaging options for our clientele. Yet again, how does this apply to you? Or perhaps what does it even mean? Well, as a company, we set a standard, and we take pride in surpassing that bar by offering a myriad of options to our customers. This includes rigid or semi-rigid, flexible, and even different packaging materials, and these are all specific to our customers' needs, of course. Now, what can you actually take away from this? Well, we actually offer both stock and custom containers, as well as bottles. Our product materials consist of APET, CPET, polypropylene, aluminum, and even biodegradable materials. Some of our applications include frozen, hot fill, HPP, dual ovenable, and even matte packaging. Now, at the same time, we also provide dependable and user-friendly heat sealing equipment. But what does this mean to you? Well, we have an entire range of equipment available, including tabletop lab units, both MAP and without, equipment for small to medium production lines, machines that fit into lean manufacturing environments, and even fully automated sealing units. How are these options helpful to you, though? Well, whether your needs are large or small, our team is ready to customize your experience in order to help you pick out the right unit. Again, our goals are simple. It is to provide a warm and welcoming environment that allows for you to get everything that you need in one location. In essence, our one-stop shop should save you time, money, and prevent undue aggravation. As a result, Teinnovations should be your first and only call. Later on, you'll have an opportunity to hear the founder of our company, Daniel Tien, speak at length about rigid containers and machinery. Stay alert. We'll send you out that link. Now, it's actually kind of funny. Whenever I'm in a supermarket nowadays, I actually find myself excited to see the variety of packaging options that are all around. I must admit, it's actually difficult for me to walk down certain aisles and see containers and actually not pick them up and look at the bottom of them. And don't tell me I'm the only one that does this, because I don't believe you. You know, it always brings a smile to my face when I see so many projects that we've helped play a part in bringing to market. I think back to all the flights, all the different cities we've gone into, different companies. We've helped calibrate machines. We've even helped individuals get their film lines ready to run our product. As a team, we've jumped on many weekly conference calls discussing a plethora of projects. Lately, it's been a ton of Zoom meetings, meeting after meeting after meeting, but it never gets old. I like to say that we've actually drawn closer to our customers during these difficult times, something that I know we all can relate to. Our goal is to always anticipate potential needs before you even realize that there's a need within itself. To illustrate my point, we know that you can find anyone to take your order, assuming that's all you're looking for. However, we go way beyond that, to the point of actually helping you prepare your meal in your kitchen. In essence, we believe in going the extra mile. It's those real and honest moments that help our clients understand that we're in this together. And we get it. Your problem, it's our problem. And your success, well, it really matters to us. This is just one of the many things that sets Teinnovations apart in the packaging world. Now, our hope is that you walk away from this overview having a better understanding of the capabilities and attention to detail at your disposal. When working with Teinnovations, you are truly in award-winning hands. When you work with our team, you'll have a tremendous amount of support, as well as access to packaging material experts, as well as food scientists. Our entire team is here to listen to your needs and help you grow your company to new heights. We welcome any and all challenging projects, especially the ones that you deem as impossible. We want to be a strategic partner that adds real value outside of the products that we supply. At the end of the day, we want to be your first thought when discussing your next packaging project. I want to thank you all for your time, and it's truly been my pleasure speaking with you this afternoon. On behalf of Teinnovations, we look forward to hearing from you very soon. Now, given some of the issues that we were having, I'm not sure if we'll have time to do any Q&A. So what we actually have done is we've kind of went through as a team and tried to identify what are some of the most common questions that we get. And we want to make sure that we answer those for you to make sure that everyone gets an opportunity to benefit. I know one of the things that I hear a lot is individuals mention that we've been able to commercialize their products. And they oftentimes want to know, what does that process look like? Well, I'll tell you, as a company, we take pride in taking ownership of your project from concept to commercialization. We look at the entire scope of your project and we try to identify how can we best help you. Again, the first thing we want to do is understand the time frame that you have, perhaps your budget. We'd also want to look at the volume of the potential project. But everything is very custom and specific to your individual needs. We encourage you to give us a call or shoot us an email so that we can sit down and get a better understanding of your particular project. Another question that we've often gotten is, what does the process look like with our food scientists? Now, again, we don't like to go into too many details given the privacy of our clients, but I can tell you this. There was one particular project that I recall where we had one of our food scientists go in and actually identify some of the issues that this client was having with the ingredient and the relationship to the actual packaging. We were actually able to change the species of tomato without sacrificing the food and the flavor profile of the particular product. As a result, we were able to turn things around for this client. Now again, this particular situation may not be a situation that applies to you. So the best thing to do is to actually give us a call so that we can get more information about your particular project and answer any questions that you may have. Now, I think we may potentially be able to squeeze one more in. And this is one that I often get, which is, how do I know if I should use MAP or even HPP? Now, the simple question to this is usually, it depends. And the reason why it depends is, depending on what type of food product you're actually using, it's going to be a different result. Now, what you want to do is understand the scope of the project, the potential shelf life that you're looking to achieve, and you'll want to incorporate all these things and try to identify what is the best option for you. Again, we encourage you to give us a call and allow us to jump into your project personally and make sure that we provide you with a very custom answer. Looking at my time, I believe we have to go. So again, I want to say thank you for tuning in and observing this particular presentation. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you and have a wonderful afternoon.